Now let's dive deep into this big LGBTQ story for today. I'm Dino Mosquera, and let's square up the USA view. Judge backs pride flag ban in Muslim-majority Hamtramck, LGBTQ rights at stake. A controversial flag ban in Hamtramck, Michigan, has just been upheld in federal court, drawing sharp reaction from the queer advocates nationwide. The U.S. District Judge David Lawson dismissed a lawsuit that challenged the City Council's 2023 vote banning pride flags, along with all political, religious, and racial flags, from city-owned flagpoles. While critics argue the measure unfairly targeted LGBTQ residents, Lawson ruled otherwise. He wrote, quote, Hamtramck's refusal to display the gay pride flag did not violate the Constitution, end quote. The lawsuit, filed by Russ and Cathy Stackpoole, former members of the city's Human Relations Commission, claimed that the ban violated the 14th Amendment's Equal Protection Clause. The two had been fired after defying the new policy on raising pride flags on public property. Their attorneys argued that a law based on hostility towards LGBTQ plus expression couldn't be considered neutral. But Hamtramck's leadership, including its all-Muslim city council, insisted that resolution was about fairness. Councilman Nayeem Choudhury said last year, quote, we want to respect the religious rights of our citizens. LGBTQ plus people are welcome, but why do you have to have the flag shown on government property to be represented? Mayor Amer Ghalib echoed the sentiment, calling the lawsuit, quote, another unnecessary distraction, end of quote. He argued the city is following Supreme Court precedent by keeping government property neutral and free from special interest flags. Still, opponents know the ban was enacted only after a heated debate over the pride flag itself, raising questions about whether neutrality was the true motive. For LGBTQ plus residents and allies, the ruling underscored an ongoing battle: how to balance religious freedom with equal representation in a city where nearly half of the population identifies as Muslim, and queer visibility remain contested. This is another example, what we're facing here in Florida with the crosswalk situation. Mm-hmm. This is another issue they're finding to try to erase our identity. Like, somehow our pride flag is just, an attempt to violate other people's rights. I mean, this is just a sign of, of pride. Mm-hmm. This is all about pride, about, just showing the community that we're proud to be who we are. They want us to be out. Well, then we're coming out.
Yeah.
Why are you fighting this? And, I have many good Muslim friends, but, they can't just be also trying to, influence politics based on their, religious beliefs, because where does it end?
They don't support homosexual acts at all.
Right.
Muslim at all. And this council is an all-Muslim council.
Yeah.
Mm. Okay, let's call it what it is. It's erasure dressed up as neutrality, right? So the city only started caring about flag rules when the rainbow went up. So it's funny how neutral always seems to mean us.
Right.
Us. You know what I mean? Neutral means us being shoved back in the closet. That's neutral for these people, and I refuse. You know what I mean? Let's be real. Saying LGBTQ plus people are welcome while banning the pride flag is like inviting someone to dinner and then refusing to set a place for them. Yes or no?
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
Mm-hmm. Yes, Mama.
So, I mean, I don't know. Religious freedom is one thing. It's the erasure is everywhere, and you live in a place called Hamtramck. That is the big LGBTQ story for today. There is no other queer nonprofit media platform like this in the entire world. Support our LGBTQ stories by subscribing and sharing Queer News Tonight.